selling beats online. Is Facebook dead for beat makers? Let's get it. Yo, what's going on? This your boy Ceasar from 𝐤𝐨𝐬𝐞. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell, you guys. I'm really trying to grow this channel. I'm trying to hit that 2,000 subscribers. Help your boy out. Let's get into it. Is Facebook dead for beat makers? Absolutely not. I use Facebook all the time. I run ads on Facebook and I get a ton of sales on Facebook. I think Facebook will never die for beat makers simply because it creates that experience for the listener or the buyer or whatever the case may be to come check you out, come check out your beat, go to your profile page, kind of thumb through your pictures, see what kind of person you are, what your likes are, what your dislikes are, and things of that nature. So basically it creates an experience for that buyer or that listener or whoever's coming to listen to your beats about who you are as a beat maker. You got to understand yourself as a beat maker is very important for you to allow people to come into your lives, especially if you're trying to sell your beats. You want to allow people to see what kind of person you are, see all your likes and dislikes as a producer or just a normal person in life in general. I think that really goes a long way and it creates some sort of authentic value to yourself as a brand. When it comes to Facebook, it allows the listener or the buyer to kind of, it's like, I believe that Facebook bridges the gap on you telling your story of what kind of person you are in real life. And I think that's super powerful. So no, Facebook is absolutely not dead for beat makers. I can simply just post beats on Facebook and start getting immediate engagement. The key thing is on Facebook, when someone comes and leave a comment or maybe say, hey, how much are those beats? Or do you sell beats? Anything of that nature. You want to make sure you get in contact with them as soon as possible. That is the key. You want to reach out to them. Maybe go check out their profile page on Facebook. See what kind of person they are. See what kind of music that they make. You can maybe comment back and say, hey, I just checked out your music. Thanks for checking out my beats. I can create the type of beats that you're looking for. And just, you know, really start connecting with that person. So I think when it comes to Facebook, it creates a great experience. I think it creates a great experience with the person that is listening to your beats and really want to find out what type of a person you are outside of just making beats. Also, when I run Facebook ads, the return on investment is absolutely amazing. Leave a comment below if you want me to show you how to run Facebook ads. Thank you for checking out this video, you guys. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, help your boy get to 2,000 subscribers. I really appreciate all the love and support, and I will holler at you soon. Peace.